Yeah, welcome to Investing Style. So many working class wonders how they can break out from their day-to-day job. Some are thinking how free or how to free themselves from paycheck to paycheck. I have good news for you. You can actually have your freedom if you are disciplined enough to stay on the path I'm about to show you today. So, show some love by subscribing to this channel. I appreciate you. Here are easy steps you can start today to become wealthy. The first thing to do is have a specific goal about what you want your life to be. Let it be something that will motivate you to keep going until you achieve it. It can be retiring at the age of 30. It can be living in your own house at the age of 30. Let it be something that motivates you. The second thing you can do to become wealthy is find a job that pays well. A good income salary solves most of your headache and worries. If your current job is not providing you with better payment, it is time to start job hunting for one that pays you well. I do hear people say, do what you love. But at this critical time, I will say, do what pays you well legally. Then, at a later stage, you can do what you love without worrying about money or your expenses or your school fees. Examples of jobs that pays well are in tech and sales jobs. There, you can quickly scale your income. The third thing to do to become wealthy is to start saving and investing what you have saved. I started saving 10% of my salary for retirement and another 10% for emergency fund. You need to start saving and investing your income. The earlier, the better. Also, the more you save and invest, the faster you attain to your goals. This is why step 2 is very, very important. For instance, to save 40% of your income, you need to minimize your spending and also receive a very high income, or do both. By the time your investment starts compounding in interest, your money will start working for you and making money for you. Yes, I repeat, your money will start working for you and make more money for you. Check out my book on the comment section on how to start investing in dividend stocks. Finally, the fourth thing to do is to be focused in achieving your goals. Keep doing what you plan you will do. Test that step, analyze it, redefine it, and continue on your path to freedom. Hope this video puts you in the right track. Learn more by subscribing to this channel and joining the Telegram group on the comment section. Thank you.